I started cooking and baking with Alina since she was about 14 months old, and that's when she was able to stand up tall on the learning tower for at least 5 to 10 minutes. And she's developed a massive love of baking and cooking with me since then, and it's one of our favorite aspects of doing Montessori at home. Now Alina's 32 months old, almost 3, and she's actually really helpful in meal prepping process without making too much mess. So in today's video, I thought I would take you guys along on what we eat in a week and share some of our favorite recipes that are relatively simple and easy to make and easy for your child to participate in, so that you and your little one can have some quality time and have fun together. So without further ado, here are the 6 recipes that Alina and I love to cook in our kitchen together, and I hope this will give you guys inspiration and ideas for what to cook with your little one in your kitchen. So let's get started. I feel that Alina and I have a really positive and loving relationship, and I think it's because we do a lot of housework together, and cooking is one of them. It's a perfect way of giving your toddler plenty of positive attention and to encourage communication. It's like our little time to shoot the breeze.
우리 아까 미니먼스 가서 점프점프도 했지? 응. 미니먼스 헤일리 왔잖아.
응, 헬리 왔지?
응.
헬리랑 노니까 재밌었어?
응.
헬리 좋아해, 아린이?
응.
그렇구나. 또 아린이 누구 좋아해?
도빈이 좋아해.
아, 진짜?
도빈이랑 노는 거 좋아해.
응. 땡큐.
엄마 슈퍼하게 스포츠를 하나 갖고 와줘. 엄마 갖고 와줘.
엄마가 갖다 줘? 알았어. 살살 잘 비벼? 너무 안 흘리게.
엄마 이거.
계란도 넣어. 이렇게 했지? 그치? 그리고 여기 지금 이렇게 돼 있지? 너 봐봐. 여기다가 손가락을 2개를 딱 넣어, 이렇게. 너도 2 손으로 엄지 손가락 2개 넣어봐. 꼭 누면서 벌려. 됐어.
엄마가 해줘.
벌려. 딱 잡아.
요리사님이야.
누가?
나 요리사님이야.
그래?
응.
잘한다.
싹둑.
그치? 하고 됐어. 이렇게. 아. 응, 거기.
됐다. 이것도 왜 어디
응. I like to divide up tasks and give Alina responsibilities. So Alina's in charge of the quiche, and while she's working on transferring tomatoes and sprinkle thyme on the quiche, I'm making the main dish for tonight, which is marinara risotto. 오븐에 넣을 거야.
뭐야? 와, 멋있다. 맛있겠다.
왜 이거 만든 거야?
아린이가 되게 뜨거워.
와우. 너무 뜨겁다. 아니가 이걸 만들었어? 계란 들어갔어?
어. 이렇게 하면 돼. 이렇게 됐지? 멋있지? This slicer is not particularly safe for toddlers, but Alina's learned to use it safely under my direct and close supervision. There are safer options available on Amazon. I'll link them down below in the description box. I think I'm gonna buy them too. 와. 이제 엄마가 또 해볼까? Alina's aware that this slicer is sharp and it could be dangerous, so she did what she could do and then she asked me to do the rest.
엄마 나 심하죠?
아 그래? 가자. 씨 먼저 하고 오자.
컵가루 넣어봐.
Some of you might feel that it seems dangerous with all of the sharp tools, hot equipment, and so many other factors that could be dangerous for your toddler. And yes, the kitchen is such a dangerous room for young children, but it's so difficult to keep them out of the kitchen because we spend so much time here and they want to be where the action is. So instead of trying to keep them out of the kitchen, why don't we include them and provide ways to keep them engaged in the kitchen, making the experience safe and exciting for their learning and development?
엄마 걔 알러지 없어?
엄마는 없어.
나도 걔 알러지 있는데.
너는 있지. 근데 이제 거의 많이 나아진 것 같아.
그래?
응. 네, 그다음에 이거 좀 넣어줄래? 이것도 넣고. 응.
Although Alina's so used to work in the kitchen with me, but she still makes mistakes and it gets quite messy. I would usually ask her to clean up her own mess, but this time the powder just went all over the floor and it was a huge mess, so I just did it myself.
비벼. Thanks.
이렇게 싸는 거야?
응.
내가
그치. 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 꾹꾹 눌러. 짝짝짝. 그치. 근데 너 손으로 꽉. 응. 그래. 아린 이거 먹어봐. 에피타이저.
아보카도.
Yes. 아보카도 좀 잘라주세요. Yes. 좋아. Yes.
This nylon knife is a kid's knife. The edge is fairly dull and the tip is blunt, so it makes them safer for toddlers to use. But you can actually cut real food with this knife, like apples and cucumbers. I got them from Amazon. I'll be sure to link them down in the description box. You might feel a little uneasy watching her using the peeler. If you want a safer option, what you can do is that stick a fork on one end of the cucumber and make them hold the handle with one hand and peel with the other. That way you can minimize any accidents.
오 진짜 깨끗하다.
엄마 잘하지?
엄마 나 엄청 잘하. 엄마 나 잘하지.
진짜 작게 잘라줘?
엄마 이렇게?
응.
아이고. 응? 이거 뭐야?
I don't cook with Alina every day, every time. Sometimes I allow her to watch something on YouTube because honestly it just makes it easier. And some other times Alina rather play on her own, but 9 out of 10 times Alina wants to work in the kitchen and explore different ingredients and different flavors and learn about different things happening in the kitchen. I think it's pretty awesome to raise a child who loves offering a hand in every kitchen activity.
연어? 뭐야?
엄마 거, 아빠 거, 아린이 거야.
나도 수분은 아빠 새우 아니니까 토마토 엄청 많이 먹을 거야. 나도
좋아.
다 잘랐잖니.
아빠는 아보카도 안 먹어.
고마워.
와우.
얼마 안 먹어.
아빠 거, 엄마 거 소스.
엄마 나 이거 까줘. 아빠.
옆에 있어
아빠.
그런 거 같아.
응.
아니 밥 먹자.
예. 오 된다. 그거 작게.
If you're new to Montessori method and just started to learn about it and trying to figure things out, I know it's really overwhelming. It's hard to know where to start. The one item I would recommend for you to consider investing in is a learning tower like this. They can do a ton of Montessori practical life activities with you in the kitchen at counter height, such as spooning, dry pouring, wet pouring, transferring, counting, mixing, peeling. They can do so much here. One of the best investments, hands down, we've made is her learning tower. This one isn't even one of those fancy ones. I can cook, I can clean, I can do the dishes while Alina's really focused and engaged in an activity.
엄마 이거 좀 봐. 이거 좀 봐.
오 괜찮아.
아까 우리 집에 헬리um 막 놀러잖아.
응.
그때 재밌었어.
재밌었어?
응.
헬리 와서?
응.
그래. 다음에 또 헬리 오라 그럴까?
엄마 잘 간다.
그치 엄마 잘 까지?
응.
엄마 잘 까? 아린이도 잘 까?
아니야.
와인 하나?
지저분하게.
아린이 좀 지저분하게 까는 것 같아?
응.
어.
엄마는 좋게 까는 것 같아.
그래?
응.
그렇게 생각해? 아린이도 잘 까고 있어. 이제 2개 남았네.
두개 나왔지.
아린이는 엄마 하나 까?
엄마.
고마워.
엄마는 해.
얘를 여기다 넣어줘 하나씩. 응.
잘 넣지.
어.
시야?
뭐야? 나갔다 왔다 하는데 당근도 안 끊었어.
아 그래?
여기 다 있는.
작게 잘라줘? 아주 작게. 여기 놔줘? 조그맣게 잘라.
엄마도?
엄마 아린이랑 요리하는 거 좋아해.
좋다.
이거를
이렇게?
더 작게 해줬으면 좋겠는데? 소스? 아니? 이 피만 먹을래?
아니?
As usual, I'll link all the items you saw in the video in the description box down below, as well as all of the recipes. If you like this video and want to watch more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I create videos about Montessori at home, Montessori activity ideas, and Montessori inspired home makeover. So if that sounds like something you want to watch more of, please subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I upload the next video.
봐봐. 오, 맛있겠다. 그리고
Ooh, mine cheese?
맛있어.
우와, 맛있겠다.
These fried tofu pocket kits are sold in any Korean grocery shops. It comes with seasoned tofu and rice seasonings in it, and you just simply season your rice and stuff the pockets with the rice. You can add whatever topping you like as well. Today we're going to use crab sticks.
응, 벗겼어. 이렇게. 벗겨.
걷겠어. 차가워.
그래? 찢어. 다 찢어.
큰거 찢어. 오늘은 나 큰 거 찢었어.
응.
오늘은 따가워?
엄마가 해볼게.
Ooh, it's nice.
Yes. 여기에 올려. 봐봐.
맛있어.
So this is it. I really hope you guys find this video helpful and useful in your Montessori journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!